What's going on? We're going to build a drag car. I don't know how much of the drag car build you want to see, but the Don's getting one. I'm getting one. I guess technically we already have them because it's right here. Wish you could kind of call it an unboxing. We're gonna take this out, show you everything that's going into it. Not 100% sure all what's going on to the Dawn's is going to have the same motor, different ESC. So just kind of using what we have for that. These are new side pieces for a wider body, I'm assuming. Free cool brand swag. Plastic wrench, doesn't do a whole bunch. Sticker kit, I don't know if we use those or not. Kind of like the kicker sticker, MSD. Yeah, we'll put a couple of those on. No assembly required, it does come as a roller, so that's pretty sweet. Cut some of these zip ties, get you guys in here. If you don't have one of these, they're pretty sweet. Pit Boss car stand. Oh, so what that is the battery strap apparently, goes right here. And for inside, Hobby Star, I just got the cheapest one they had at the hobby shop simply because I don't care how fast it turns. We got the RevTech X Factor 13.5 going in there. And I have an old XR8, so that'll be our speed control. And a factory extreme fan to attach to the top, since how the other fan seemed to die on me. It actually seems like a pretty nice car. I was checking out the Don's when we ordered his. I ordered the blue one originally, but these ones were in stock, so we got a roller now. Get the motor in there, get the ESC in there. I don't think you guys want to see me soldering, so there's the 13.5. We're going to run 13.5 class. Not that I'm bad at soldering, but who wants to sit here and watch somebody solder their whole car together? The plan is Dawn and I are both going to assemble the cars. We're not making any adjustments out of the box. I know the slippers are loose, so obviously I'll have to tighten that. But out of the box, we're going to set them both down side by side, run them both with no adjustments. And if you guys want to come along for the ride after that, we'll get some setup advice if needed, and then start making adjustments and see how fast we can get these bad boys going. See how much effort it takes to get them going straight. It seems like a 22 3.0 pretty much, with some minor modifications. The Mickey Thompsons are pretty sweet. And I do have the body done. That'll be the body we're running. The Iroc-z. It's been named, painted this morning. We'll see how fast we can get her to go. I think it's going to look pretty sweet. We'll get you into here. Receiver box. There we go. Well,
Yeah, I like it.
that's what I thought. I was thinking stay with the white, but
Yeah.
I figured I'd get your input. And I figured you'd be like, he's paint it fucking green.
Green. Go outside the box. Green and purple.
Everything's going to be green and purple. Forgot to put a couple screws in. You're on YouTube, Cam. I mean, the car is. Thankfully, this one passed QC. Bloop. Bloop. Yeah, those are going to have to get zip tied up there, I think. Just like so. Hey! Good thing I'm not YouTube Live. I can edit that out. Never get this stuff off. There we go. Till the first time I hit a bump, then it seems to fly off. The Iroc-z.